Be strong.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how to, on your iPhone, use a virtual background in Zoom. So what you want to do is you want to tap on More. Then you want to tap on Background and Filters. At the bottom, you'll notice that you can have none, or you can choose one of the preloaded backgrounds. Each one that shows up on the screen will be used as your virtual background. Or if you wanted to add a picture, tap on the plus. Now you can choose a picture from your phone as a virtual background. Now that will be my virtual background. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching.
Be strong.